Beliefs rewrite your biology, and this is the science behind it. I need you to hear this. You are not a prisoner of your DNA. For decades, we were told that genes are your destiny. If your gene said cancer, depression, addiction, whatever it was, well, that was going to be your fate. However, modern biology has flipped that script. So that's something to be grateful for. Welcome to Epigenetics. This is the science that's proving that genes are not fixed. Thanks to Dr. Bruce Lipton, who has decades of research in molecular biology, he actually shows that genes are more like light switches, something that you can switch on and you can switch off. Dr. Bruce Lipton's research actually concludes that these genes are something that you can turn on or turn off based on the environment. And environment doesn't just mean food and air. The environment includes the internal environment. This is your thoughts, your beliefs, especially your emotions. Now, stress hormones like cortisol actually has the ability to turn on that switch, right? And when it gets turned on with cortisol, that is turning on the gene of inflammatory. Whereas on the other hand, states like love and safety, that actually releases oxytocin and serotonin. So if you want to flip on the genes of healing and resilience and things like that, then what you need to do is to be able to activate these elevated states of love, safety, more elevated states like that. This work also gets into the placebo effect, which is all about patients healing based off of their conviction, based off of their belief that they're receiving the medicine, even when they're not. This is the most important part. That's because the belief is rewiring the biology. So here's one simple thing you can do with this. Since your beliefs are programming your biology, just ask yourself, what story am I telling my cells? Is that story of love and an elevated emotion and state, or is it more fear and something that is lower on that scale? And if it is lower, that's okay. Release the shame and guilt, allow yourself to feel what's coming up to the surface, then transform it. You don't want to compartmentalize and just pretend it's not there and just go to the love state, because one, you're probably not going to feel it anyways. Two, that's creating emotional baggage. If you dug this and want to go deeper, make sure you hit follow, share, and save this video.